still can hear your voice inside the rain, calling my heart through every quiet pain. The room feels full of things we never said, like broken prayers still living in my head. I keep your smile where the darkness ends, a little light my soul could not defend. And though the years may pull my hands from you, some memories stay because the love was true. If time should turn our story into dust, I'll hold a part of you that stayed with us. 'Cause some goodbyes can never take the heart. I will always remember you in every song this heart goes through. When the 808 drums rise beneath my pain, your name comes back like thunder in the rain. I will always remember you, the love we lost, the dream we knew. Even if life takes me somewhere new, I will always remember you. The strings coming like sunlight through the gray, touching the words I never got to say. I see your face in places we once knew, in empty streets still colored by you. I try to smile, I try to move along, but missing you became my quiet song. And if this heart must learn to live apart, I'll keep your love protected in my heart. If someday I forget the way we cried, I still remember how you changed my life. 'Cause what was real can never disappear. I will always remember you in every sky I'm looking through. When the full piano opens like a flame, I feel your soul still calling out my name. I will always remember you, the tears, the hope, the dreams we grew. Even if forever never came true, I will always remember you. Maybe love is not meant to stay, maybe it teaches then walks away. But every scar you left in me still shines like part of destiny. heart of mine.